All right.
Cold
Shawn,
bites?
are you gonna eat more?
Oh,
What are you gonna have?
you got paper
Throw in
towels?
the towel that early.
Oh.
I'm gonna get gross with it because green beans is too good. I think I'm gonna do turkey and rice or sweet potato and turkey.
Oh god.
So
Sweet potato and turkey.
Okay.
Sweet potato turkey.
Okay. Look at my bowl. Where's my bowl though?
Ew.
Fuck. I don't know.
Okay,
Right there.
I got you. Okay.
Oh.
This Marnar is warming up in my belly.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so you didn't need to warm it up before.
I was concerned with the temperature, but
Yeah. Oh! Oh no.
Ew! Ew! It smells like sweet shit.
It does!
Doesn't it? It's like someone took a sweet
Oh.
shit.
Sweet shit!
Oh.
hey, eat that sweet shit, bro.
Who gives this to a
Go ahead.
baby?
Eat up. Less talking, more eaty.
Here comes the airplane!
Someone should feed it to him. Someone should feed it to him.
You feed
like
it
a
to
baby.
him.
Okay,
Please.
I'll feed
You've
it
known
to
him
him.
the longest,
ready?
right?
I've known him the longest. It's like I'm his father.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm old enough to be. Okay.
Use a spoon or your fingers. Not your fingers.
Use your fingers.
Use my hand.
Don't use your fingers.
Okay, ready?
Just squeeze
Okay.
it. You have to get lower. You have to get lower so that way you can tilt it into your
Yeah.
Alright.
Says baby want dinner. It's dinner time for baby Sullivan. For little baby Sullivan.
Oh my god, Sean's getting an erection.
You have to eat more, Shawn.
Oh, it's not that. Open up the hangar door. All aboard the eating train.
Eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
Why?
Does finger go in your mouth?
No.
Oh, that was fucking sick.
Gotta keep it in.
Gotta be sexy.
Gotta be sexy.
Oh.
Oh.
More.
You want
Right.
bagel?
Are you fucking serious?
Oh my god.
Get out of the way of the fucking camera.
Hey, can I get a paper towel?
Hey, dude, are you like okay?
No.
Brian's dopey from all the sugar in that.
Shawn,
I threw up.
Here.
Look at him.